What if Samsung's boldest Galaxy S26 Ultra color is the one they're not showing you yet? The leaks are back, the hype is real, and Samsung might still be holding a few surprises under the table. Galaxy S26 Ultra colors are once again stealing the spotlight, and Samsung is clearly playing it safe, at least for now. According to a fresh leak, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to launch in four eye-catching standard colors: Cobalt Violet, Classic Black, Clean White, and Sky Blue. These are the main shades Samsung wants everyone to see first. But that's not the full story. Samsung is also rumored to introduce two additional colors: Pink Gold and Silver Shadow, which could be kept as online exclusive editions, likely available only through Samsung's official website. These missing shades haven't appeared in the latest renders yet, but don't be surprised if Samsung reveals them later to boost online sales. The newly leaked images were briefly published by a Russian retailer, Cifras.ru, spotted via Samiguru, and originally shared by Android headlines. The retailer even listed a 128GB Galaxy S26 Ultra, which quickly turned out to be a technical mistake. Shortly after going live, the entire product page was pulled down, but not before the images were captured. Now here's the part that might disappoint some fans. A recent online listing suggests Samsung may have skipped built-in Qi2 magnets on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this turns out to be true, users may need special accessories to fully enjoy Qi2 wireless charging. That could leave Google's Pixel 10 as the only Android phone with native Qi2 support, at least for now. This is surprising, especially since Qi2 support has been heavily rumored for the Galaxy S26 lineup. As for the launch timeline, the Galaxy S26 series is expected to hit store shelves on March 11th, with the official reveal happening earlier. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S26 lineup on February 25th at the Galaxy Unpacked event in San Francisco. And yes, it will be live-streamed worldwide. More leaks are definitely coming, and you don't want to miss what's next. If you're excited about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, hit like, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next leak, surprise color reveal, or last-minute twist. Drop a comment and tell me, which S26 Ultra color would you buy? Until next time, peace out.